Hello guys, on this tutorial I want to change the host name, and as you can see on my screen I have ggsrv4 the local domain, and I want to make it ggsrv2 the local domain. So I will be establishing a connection here with the putty. So this is my server here. Let me see, gg, as you can see here. Yes, I'll load that and I'll open it. So I'm gonna log in as root user. Good, now I am in as root user. So we are going to we are going to do these changes on the system. One of the files we're going to be editing, where you find the host name of the system, is this file here, etc/sysconfig/host/network. So this file is where you change the host name. That's the first file. If we come in here, you can see the host name is equal to ggsrv4. So I'm going to make it 2 and Control O, enter, Control X to exit. Now our next task is to modify this in the host file. So we come here, put 2, put 2. Now Control O to save changes, Control X to exit. Now that we have changed that, if you see here, you can still see that nothing has changed there. So we come down here, we run service network restart. This is not gonna change this one, but it's gonna change the host name. I'm gonna update the host name. Now let's see the host name. That's the new host name. So for us to change the name from here, from this screen, as you can see, for this to change, we need to reboot the system. So I'm going to reboot the system, and we're gonna see what it's gonna look like. Reboot. So the session is closed. You're gonna see that the new name is gonna appear on this screen. So that's how you change the host name for Linux 6.4. Let's watch and see in the next you can see the name has changed from ggsrv4 to ggsrv2 the local domain. That's how you change the host name for Linux 6.4. and friends, I will see you again in the next tutorial. Thank you so much, and bye bye now.